we are seeing about case study on Foundry plant. Okay.
Hello, my name is Dhanush. Now I am going to speak about Foundry. A foundry is an industrial plant where metal is melted and cast into specific spaces by pouring it into a mold. History. The foundry and furnace originated from Mesopotamia and regions of Iran and Siberia. Clay castings and hot fire pits worked to melt and shape copper, gold, and silver. These primitive foundries melted copper and were capable of creating more complex forms, but it wasn't until tin was introduced that metal working made a significant advance. Initial foundry was known as the Cannon Shop, which was built in Moscow in 1479. The 14th and 15th century metal foundry industry in Europe became known for the production of bronze and iron bells, cannons, and cannonballs. Start.
Development in foundry industry. Foundry processes are continuously developing to improve the quality of products and production efficiently and take advantage of new technologies. Furnace development. Couplot furnace. The couplot furnace was developed in 1917 by Frenchman René Antonio Fudge. The domain shape structure has been opening to supply the charge and hanging doors at the base to empty the furnace at shutdown. It had been largely replaced by more efficient electrical induction and electrical arc furnace. Industrial furnace. Electrical induction furnace use a high power alternating current flowing through a coil to induce eddy current in a metal that generate heat and commonly found in production foundry today. Electrical arc furnace. Graphited electrodes create the electrical arc and supply the current as the energy to melt iron. The first electrical arc furnace was created in 19,000 by Paul Halmet of France in 1907. The commercial plant was established in United States. The furnaces are more economical at low production rate, can be operated independently, given more flexible to metal forms.
Hi, I am Bala. Now I am going to see die casting. Die casting in investment modeling are modern techniques using usually available material to improve the quality of casting finish and cost of production. Die casting a characteristics of friction material under high pressure into model cavity. A hot or cold chamber machine is used depending on the types of material behind cast. Die casting are now providing a good surface finish and dimension casting.
I am Siva Subramanian. I am going to talk about the continuous casting. The most significant advance in the casting process has been the introduction of the continuous casting machines. Modern metals is poured into a model or slowly withdrawn to create continuous length of solid metals. The major advantages of the carbon steel casting method is elimination of some downstream processing steps. The semi-finished products can be more easily transformed into the finished product for rolling.
Hello, myself Parun. I am going to talk about permanent molds. In 21st century, casting process took a leap forward through the introduction of electromagnetic technology. Actually, the induction coil is wrapped around the water-cooled mold surface. An alternative for this permanent mold is current generating electromagnetic fields. These electromagnetic fields passes through the cooling metal casting is formed of eddy current in the molten metal resource. It has two positive outcomes. So the first is contact between the cooling metal and the model's surface is soft, giving a better quality of finish. And the next one is the homogeneity of a metal is greatly improved with reduction in grain boundary and segregation. Thank you.
Sure.
Hi, myself Divakar. Today I am going to tell about future tech trends. Efficiency is the predominant motivation driving technology advanced in foundries. There is a strong focus on reducing energy consumption due to the
emphasize on suitable manufacturing. Thank you.
Hi, myself Pushpakan. The main purpose of foundry. A foundry is a factory that produces metal casting. Metal are cast into shape by melting them into a liquid, pouring the metal in a mold and removing the mold material after the metal has solidified as it cools. In conclusion, the foundry process stands at a cornerstone in industrial manufacturing, shaping the foundation of numerous sectors with the production of durable and versatile cast iron components. Thank you.